Hello everyone! In this lesson we're going to look at the clean installation process for Windows 11 version 22H2. However, this is not a tutorial, but instead it is a demonstration of the installation process of the new version to see if anything has changed since the original version. So this is the first time I'm going to be doing this. So let's get started. As always, after selecting the language and the keyboard layout and time and currency, we're going to select the next button. Now we're going to click the Install Now button. And then if the computer was previously activated, you can click the I don't have a product key option, or you can enter the product key if this is a new installation. For this video, I'm just going to click the I don't have a product key option. Now, since we're going to be doing a clean installation, we're going to select the custom option. And then we're going to select the drive where we want to install Windows 11. And as you can see, the interface hasn't changed at all. Everything is still the same. And to install Windows 11 version 22H2, we're going to click Next. The loading animation, I believe, in this stage, it's new for Windows 11 version 22H2. But still, as you can see, Microsoft needs to keep updating the animation in other sections. Now we're going to get into the out-of-box experience. And the first thing that we're going to do is to select the region and click yes. And as you can see, the interface still needs updating, as we can still find legacy visual elements like the scroll bar right here. Now we're going to select the keyboard layout and click yes to continue. We're going to skip this step. In this step, you can set up the computer name, but we're going to skip that now. If you're setting up Windows 11 Pro, you're going to see this step. If you're using Windows 11 Home, you're not going to see this step. So for this video, we're going to select the setup for personal use and click next. In this particular setup, I still see the option to create an offline account if you wish to do so, but I believe that's going to change on the final product. So we're going to create an account. You can restore the settings from a previous installation, but we're going to select the setup as a new device, and then we're going to click next. And I don't believe the out-of-box experience showed the profile picture before, so that might be something new on this version. Now we're going to create a pen. I'm gonna go through the privacy settings. I'm just going to leave all the defaults, but you can always enable or disable the ones you want. This isn't new, and you can always skip this step. Now this step's new for the installation, and it allows you to link your Android phone to your PC. You can use this QR code to connect the device. If you don't want to connect with the QR code, you can click this option, and that will guide you through the steps to link your phone. We're not going to do this right now, so we're going to click the skip option. We're going to skip the setup OneDrive file backup for this particular video. We're going to decline the offer to the Microsoft 365 subscription. And that's it. That was a closer look at the installation process and the out-of-box experience for Windows 11 version 22H2. And as you saw, there is nothing drastically new for the installation process. We can check that we're running version 20H2 by opening Start and looking for the winver command. And as you can see, we're running version 22H2. Remember to like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.